In last lecture, we have studied how we can find the equation of plane passing through given 3 points or 2 points and one other condition. Now we shall see what is a system of plane. The equation of plane involving some arbitrary constant or the equation of plane satisfying two conditions involve the arbitrary constant which can be chosen infinite number of planes and which gives rise to infinite number of planes, and this infinite number of planes is called as a system of planes, and the arbitrary constant is called as parameter. Okay, for example, here ax plus by plus cj plus d equal to 0. This is the equation of plane. The system of planes parallel to the given plane is given by parallel to the given plane ax plus by plus cj plus k is equals to 0, where this k is called as a parameter. This parameter k is chosen infinite number of planes, and therefore which gives infinite number of planes. As we know that if this is a one plane, my hand, this is a one plane. The plane parallel to this plane is here. Second plane, again one more plane parallel to this plane, one more plane parallel to this plane. There are infinite number of planes parallel to the given plane, and such infinite number of planes are given by the equation ax plus by plus cj plus k equal to 0. This is the system of planes parallel to the given plane. Only changing the constant term, the d is replaced by k. K is a parameter. We can choose infinite number of ways, and therefore we get infinite number of planes. As k takes infinite number of values, there are infinite number of planes. And as we know that one plane is given, therefore there are infinite number of planes parallel to the given plane. That is, this is a system of planes parallel to the given plane. Second, ax plus by plus cj plus d equal to 0. This is a system of planes perpendicular to the plane where a, b, c are the parameters. If we choose different parameter, that means we get different planes. And third is, if we consider two planes, ax plus by plus cj plus d equal to 0 is one plane, and other is, suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0. These two planes are given to you. We assume that these two planes intersect each other. That means there are some set of points common to these. And what is the intersection of two planes? As we know that from a school level, intersection of two lines, this is a line 1, line 2. The intersection of these two lines is a point. Two lines intersect in a single point. If we consider a plane, a line intersects plane in how many points? It is also in 1 point. It passes and goes downwards. A line intersects to the plane in 1 point also. And what about if you consider a circle and one line. This line intersects this circle in how many points? Yes, in 2 points. Intersection of line with circle is of 2 points. If instead of circle, if you consider this as a sphere, that means complete part. And what is the intersection? This line, this chord, is the intersection. And how many points are there? There are infinite number of points along a straight line. That means intersection of a line to the sphere is a chord, or this is a line. Okay. Similarly, intersection of two planes is also line. Therefore, suppose this is one plane and this is the other plane. This intersect here, and this is the point of intersection. With these two planes intersect in a line. Okay. Now we have to find the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of these two planes, because just I have told that two planes intersect each other in a line. Infinite number of points along the line. The equation of plane through the line of intersection of these two planes is given by ax plus by plus cz plus d in one bracket plus k into other equations, left hand side, k into a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of given these two planes. What is the formula? Consider left hand side of first plane plus k into left hand side of second plane is equals to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of the plane. Okay. Now here k is a parameter. We can choose infinite number of planes. There are infinite number of values, and therefore there are infinite number of planes passing through the intersection of two planes. Okay. And for already we have seen in previous lecture, in x1, y1, z1 is a given point, then equation of plane passing through this point is given by a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equals to 0. In this case, the a, b, c are the parameters. As ABC changes, the equation of plane passing through this point is also changed, because we know that from one point infinite number of plane passes, and equation of this infinite number of planes are obtained by changing the values of a, b, c. Okay, there are these four systems. On four systems, in last lecture we have taken a problem. Equation of plane passing through one point is given by this formula. ABC are the parameters. Again listen. Ax plus by plus z plus k equal to 0 is a system of planes. That is, system of planes is infinite number of planes passing parallel to this given plane, where k is a parameter. That ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is the equation of plane which is perpendicular to the line having direction ratios a, b, c. And if these two planes are given to you, then the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of these two planes is given by this equation, where k is a parameter, and this is the equation of plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1. In next lecture, we solve some problem on this. Thank you.